Alright, this evening I am going to make ravioli with cherry tomatoes and asparagus and parsley, chicken broth, and basil, and Parmesan cheese. Alright, first I am going to put my parsley in here and cook it for 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, I hope everybody's doing alright. Supposed to have lemon juice and I couldn't find my lemon juice. So I'll bring you back when this gets done. Alright, this about to get done. Another minute or two. I have never made this recipe. I've never seen it. And my daughter made it for supper last night and she sent me the recipe. She lives in Ohio and I live in the South. I miss her so bad. But I've got 2 children down here. Several grandbabies. Then I've got a grandson, his children live in Indiana, and another grandson lives in Pennsylvania. So my family is scattered. Alright. I'm going to add garlic. I'm using minced garlic, it says freeze. Okay. Then I'm supposed to add my cherry tomatoes. These are cut in half. This is going to be so good. Like I said, I have never eaten. My daughter and her husband, the one that gave me this recipe, are vegetarian. They don't eat meat. And she has come up with some wonderful dishes. This has got any meat in it. Okay. I'm supposed to cook this for 3 minutes. Okay, I am supposed to add my broth, and it's 1/4 of my stuff, chicken broth. Let's cook this 2 minutes. This is stirred egg and I'm going. Alright. Okay, the next I add my cooked ravioli. I cook these by the directions on the thing. Let me get this. Let me get me a fork. Oh, here's a fork. Oh. Alright. And toss. Okay. Stir in. I've got parsley. I've got Parmesan cheese. I got a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, a quarter cup of parsley, and a quarter cup of basil. I put the recipe in the description. And cook 2 more minutes. That's already looking so good. Okay. I think that's it. So there's my ravioli with tomatoes and parsley and Parmesan cheese, basil, parsley. I'll put the recipe into and tomatoes. Okay, I am going to turn this off. Alright, there it is. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. Thank you. Just like, share, and subscribe.